Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust speed in your videos in VN editor. So here, as you can see, I've already opened the VN editor, and then I'm going to click on the plus icon and start a new project. And I'm going to add a new videos to adjust the speed. For example, I want to add okay, so just wait. I'm going to add this video and then I'm going to add it into the editor page. Oops. Okay, so here is the video that I've already added into the VN. So what you need to do is you need to click on this video, on the video, and then you'll find the speed option at the bottom. Just click on that, and here you'll find there are two options where you can adjust the speed. There are curved there, and there are also regular. So I'm going to use the curve first, so you can adjust the speed as you like this, and then the video will follow. So you can edit on your own, or you can also use the preset from the VN. So just click on it there, montage, and there is also hero time like this, up and down, and there are also bullet time and jump cut like this with slow down, and it will suddenly fast forward in the middle like this, and then there are also fast in and fast out. So this is the preset, so you can just choose which one that fits your need the most, or you can also choose the regular, so you can adjust the speed as you like. You can choose which one. You can make it slow or you can make it fast like this, and after that you can just click on the check icon to choose the speed that you like. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can adjust speed in your videos using VN. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.